lecture 3 of 5. Topik still lagi differentiation. Okay, differentiation of exponential, exponent, okay, log and trigo. Our aim is to find exponent, log, trigo. Okay, semua penting. At least one each. Okay, semua ada different punya unique punya differentiate. Okay, so this is our aim for today is this is our aim. Okay, find the derivative of function, the three functions is exponential, log and trigo, and solve problems. And then sometimes dia combine between exponent and trigo and log. Dia combine dia because of dia nak banyak sikit soalan. Okay, and then derivative of exponential. So for today kita belajar separately lah. Ada three subtopik tu, ada three functions. Kita belajar sikit-sikit separately. Dan nanti soalan dia akan join. Sometimes ada join. So senang je. Differentiate exponent, dia kebal. Dia dapat dia juga. Okay, so dia jati dia kuat kebal. Exponent juga. Okay, and when differentiate e power something, same like x squared plus 1 ke apa. So first thing you have to copy je. First copy the question sebab dia kebal. Then differentiate on the top ni, power dia differentiate. Okay, first copy the question, and then differentiate the power dia. Okay, and okay, derivation of the derivative of exponent e power f of x. So this is how to prove, how to show. This one you baca tengok dalam because of you all student. Okay, so this is using the chain rule. Okay, so y equals e power u. U ni f of x. Okay, so differentiate y respect to u and dapat dy du, and eu because of the kebarat, but the same one, e power u. Okay, and when differentiate u respect to x, dapat du dx, and this one is f prime of x. Okay, using chain rule, we're going to find dy dx. Dy dx equals dy du times du dx. Dy du is equal to e power u, ni kan? Sekejap. Okay, ni kan? Okay, du dx ni is equal to f prime of x. So that's all lah. So you hafal. This one you need to hafal lah. Okay, so differentiate e power fx. Ni cukup untuk exponent. First copy and then differentiate power dia. Okay, tu je. Ini first hafal. Okay, and the next step. Okay, example. Okay, find the derivative of with respect to x. Function respect to x, respect to variable. The variable using is x. Okay, so fx is equal to 4 times ex. Kat sini a. Okay, fx equals 4ex. So when using fx, we're going to use f prime lah. Tak payah guna dy dx because of the function f. Okay, f prime of x, this is constant is constant. Okay, and then ex tu je. Kita jadi suatu kebal kan. Kita kata yang ni kebal. Ni. Okay, step 1 dia. So settle for this part, and then kalau ni then okay. So b. Okay, b is y equals e power negative 3x squared plus 4x. Okay, please interrupt me kalau ada problem atau tiba-tiba hilang dari radar ke, saya hilang je kan. Okay. So this one using the y. So differentiate y respect to x. Okay, differentiate y respect to x. Terus ajar macam ni. Senang kerja saya for the next lecture. Okay, ini. And then this one got dy dx. Actually got dy dx je lah. Okay, and then this one dia kebal kan. Just copy je. Copy plus 4x. Then you need to differentiate. Yang betul-betul differentiate Okay, differentiate whatever in the power dia. Ni, differentiate negative 3x squared plus 4x. Okay, and the next step, okay, you must skip few steps. Okay, e power negative 3x squared plus 4x. Then differentiate this one is guna power rule ke simple kan. Okay, negative 6x plus 4. Then, okay, simplify. Okay, kat sini lah. Okay, tak payah kita pusing. Okay, negative atau 2 negative 3x plus 2 e power negative 3x squared plus 4x. Okay, so this is the answer for B. Jadi B, so all you skip kalau let's say because of yelah. Okay, dia punya working tak payah lagi kan. So here differentiate ni terus dy dx boleh buat direct sini atau sini terus. Ni tak payah buat pun tak apa. Tiba hilang kan. Kenapa? Tak apalah, biarlah. Ni tahu kan? 3x squared plus 4x. Okay, so settle for B. Ni for C sini C. Okay, so differentiate ni y is equal to x e power 4x. This one kalau check betul-betul means that x times this one. These two functions involve two functions. This one consider u v. We need to apply product rule. Product rule y is equal to u v and y prime is equal to u v prime atau u prime v plus u v prime, up to you lah. Kan u v prime ke, tapi saya suka u prime v because nanti tak confuse dengan quotient rule. Okay, and this one. So now you kena labelkan sampai let's say kalau zaman dulu saya kata tak payahlah write down the what is u, what is v. Now because of you banyak sangat guna mata, okay, guna tengok screen kan mata, better use label betul lah. Just write down what is u, what is v, e power 4x now. And then u prime du dx is equal to 1. Du dx is equal to 1. V prime kan kata copy kan, e power 4x and differentiate ini dapat 4 lah. 4 this one. Settle. And then using dia punya ni dy dx. Okay, dy dx. Okay, dy dx we're going to use this one, right? Product rule. Jadi product rule ini dia macam, okay, kalau you tengok zaman kecil tu tahu zaman mak awak kot kecil kot, Ultraman. Sekali lagi Ultraman kah? Kita bagi all. Dia macam ni pangkah ni kan. Tak tahulah, saya lama tak tengok. So ni dia saya pangkah je. The idea is ni times e 4x plus x times 4e 4x. Idea is macam tu je. Simple. And then simplify. The idea pangkah je, pangkah silang Nah tu And then this one, take this one. Ni factorize e power 4x 1 plus 4x and settle for C. Settle for C. So far you all okay tak? Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Jadi product rule jangan salah. So far kuis kita tak pernah salah product rule pasal kita ajar Ultraman. Okay, sorry And then for D, kat sini pula dia you all kan biasalah bakal profesor je sana sini kan. Okay, for D, this one whether you use the product rule or quotient rule. Now nak guna product rule ke quotient rule? Because let's say kalau you nak guna product rule, okay, bring this one up here. Boleh buat macam ni lah. Fx is equal to 3x. Bring up, plus 2e negative x. Boleh guna. This one guna product rule. This one direct lah. Okay, but here I'm going to use quotient rule because of kita dah skip kan few lecture, right? Okay, kita guna quotient rule. Quotient rule ni semua product rule. Kita guna 3x squared plus 2 over e power x. Ni boleh scroll tak ni? Okay. Oh, kat sini je tak apa. Okay, and then okay, kita main tukar-tukar. This is U over V. So Y equals U over V and Y prime U prime V minus UV prime over V squared. Yang ini is confirm, make sure this is ni tu U prime first. That's why lah for product rule saya prefer hafal kat sini U prime first, because I dah set mine U prime first. Okay, U prime V minus okay, dia punya formula should be betul lah. Okay, salah habis 0 for all kan. Okay, U prime V minus U prime over V squared. So kita labelkan, okay, ni pula U is equal to 3x square plus 2, V is equal to E power x. U prime 6x, V prime dikebal and then differentiate x, that one right. Betul right. So sekarang ni f prime of x diguna f prime kan. F prime of x kita guna ni lah kan. Dan dia autoroman kan, sini kan. Sini minus ni. Okay, ingat tu je, sini minus ni. For quotient 6x times ex, okay, minus 3x square plus 2, okay, ex over ex square. Okay, so kalau you nak itu, okay, yang ini still okay, for quotient same dia punya kesan pangkah, tapi because of the heavy dia kena minus senang macam tu. Dia punya the way arrow sama
Ya.
Okay, for product rule plus je. For quotient minus. That's why saya okay, make sure ingat U prime first. Itu je lah. Itu dia just pergi dah idea kan. Okay, so next step dia tak boleh nak scroll bawah lagi. Boleh okay, tak apa. Dia sikit-sikit macam biasa lah kan. Buat macam tak pandai, tak kerti pula kan. Maklum dah, dia stop one note lama kat sini. Okay, ada sikit. Okay, ni mana tadi? Ni. Okay, ini kita check. This one ni ada ex factorize. Okay, ni pun ada pangkah and then factorize ex dulu pelan-pelan. 6x minus 3x squared minus 2. Okay, ni ex squared kan. Okay, and then pangkah lah. So dapat e bring up e power negative x and buat negatif kat luar. So okay, 3x squared minus 6x plus 2. Okay, so this is that one lah. Okay, and check. Okay, macam salah je jawapan saya kat masa kelas. Tak dengar. Ni kat mana. Macam salah je. Tak cuba seperti kan dia punya ke saya yang tak dengar. Kat saya tak dengar. Dia punya ni. You cakap saya ada salah ni.
Dekat soalan tu 3x tu tak ada square.
Oi. Okay, tu saya cakap tak dengar. Betul saya menyusahkan. Itulah. Kita dia. Okey. Tak apa, kita pelan-pelan lah. Baru betul. Ni semua dah ni. Tak apa, kita pelan-pelan. Ada semua tu. Senang cerita. Okey. So okey. Ni. Sini. Kita padam juga. Malu kan. Okay, ini 3 kan, and then so inilah 3 ni. Okay, betul. So ex 3 minus 3x plus 2 over ex square, and then padam-padam. Okay, bring up, and then this one is 5 minus 3x. Betul ke? Okay, cek jawapan. Macam salah juga ke? Tak. Kenapa jawapan saya ni salah? Saya baru print kan, malam dekat office kan. You tengok first day dah ni. Sekejap, saya buka mata sekejap. 3x ini 3x Ya, mana silap. And then EX 3 minus. Ni, okey. Ni minus. Oh, tak baca saya. Dah lah. Okey, ni minus. Soalan ni. Okay, so 1 minus 3x. Yes, betul Ini minus. So careless careless You kena hati-hati careless. So habis. Kita go to number. This is the ni lah. Dia punya solution. Okay, solution for C. Solution for D. Okay. And then derivative of exponential function. Okay, so dia dah bagi A positif, A not equal to 1. And then for exponential, macam E power X ke atau apa sama kan, dia bagi bentuk A lah A macam 2 power X, 3 power X. Okay, so idea dia, okay, differentiate yang kata 2 power X. Okay, copy kan dia copy. For exponential dia copy kebal. And ln A. Okay, or differentiate A power ni, copy semua. Copy ni and copy ln base and differentiate power dia. Contoh dy is equal to e power 2x. Differentiate ini. Actually kalau follow ni copy ln A, ln base e. Ada differentiate tu. Dapatlah ni 1 e to x. So something that yang tadi dah direct kan, dapatkan y is equal to e to x, differentiate, dapat, terus copy and differentiate, sama je. This is dia punya basic actually. When given the ni, katakan y is equal to 2 power x, cukup kan? And then differentiate dy dx, copy and ln 2 and okey lah 1. Okey, power dia 1. So dapat macam tu lah. Simple dia kena ingat juga lah. Simple kan, sometimes popular soalan dia. The idea macam ni. Kenapa yang exponent power base E tadi automatic kan? Actually dia follow juga dia punya rule. Dia punya rule, but because of ln E is equal to 1, jadi satu dia cancel lah. Follow juga. And then example, itu melaju lagi ni. Differentiate juga this respect lah ni. A y is equal to 5x. So dy dx kan copy dulu, copy, then ln 5, differentiate power dia 1. So answer is 5 power x ln 5. Settle For B, y is equal to 3 power x squared minus 2x. dy dx jangan tulis is equal to, mesti dy dx. Cari dy dx, differentiate y respect to x, right? Okay, and then ini copy and ln base. Okay, and the next step is differentiate atas ni. Okay, so 2x minus 2. So just rewrite lah, arrange lah 2x minus 2 atau buat cantik sikit. Nampak macam tak cantik kan? Okay, ini 2x minus 1 ln tak bagus. Okay, because aku confused. Ni buat ni dulu. Ni dulu. Bagus, you write down the punya 3 power x squared minus 2x ln 3. Macam tu kan, bagus macam tu. Because of kita tak nak confusing. Kalau you write ln 3 3x squared minus 2x, takut confuse unless you buat in bracket. Okay, buat in bracket lah, senang cerita kan. Okay, so kita tengok solution. Macam tu and then okay, derivative of log function. Okay, so ini log ni dia lain sikit, dia turun darjat. Kalau eksponen dia kebal, ni turun darjat lah 1 over x. For positive, x positive, if given ln function fx, so 1 over, semua ni mesti turun darjat ke bawah 1 over. And then differentiate what is inside the bracket. Tu je. Senang je. And function should be positive lah. Result condition in nanti later lah, tak detail sangat you all timbang ni je. This is that one je. Okay, yang lain bukan you punya tu nanti dulu. Okay. Example 3 ini kita buat A y is equal to ln 3x. Bracket lah, cantik sikit kan. So ini dy dx. Okay, dan turun darjat semua 3x. Then differentiate whatever in the bracket, that is 3. So simplify 1 over x. Okay, actually you can separate this one using the property of log. Bukan ln 3x. Okay, ln m times n is equal to ln m plus ln n, right? And then dy dx, this is constant. Differentiate constant 0. Differentiate this one 1 over x. Sama. Actually guna yang ni lah saja. I want to show you. This is that one. Later on we are going to use this concept. Okay. And then b fx is equal to ln square root of 4x plus 1. Okay. Before differentiate, simplify dulu. Jangan complicated sangat. Nanti one offset ni kata problem. So kita buat ni dulu. Use a property of log. Half. Use the third law. Bring this one to front. Ini. Okay. Then baru once you differentiate, buat f prime of x. Baru jangan sama juga sampai habis kan. This is constant. This all darjat turun. 4x plus 1. Differentiate 4x plus 1 is equal to 4. Dia dapat 2 over 4x plus 1. Settle. Let's say kalau you okay, so you just direct kat sini. Okay, differentiate from this function ini you terus buat f prime of x kena 1 over square root of 4x plus 1. Dan differentiate ni pula. Okay, differentiate yang ni pula. So banyak songeh sikit lah. Kan 4x plus 1 jadi banyak complicated. So for log, better use property before differentiate. Okay, the idea is use property, the three properties of log and differentiate. Jadi for number C, okay, C tak okay, C y is equal to x ln x. Confirm kalau say this one is two different function ni, dia either multiply or divide. Plus minus tak change. Okay, multiply and divide. Okay, so now this one is one function. Two functions. So uv. If uv, confirm use a product rule. Y prime u prime v plus u v prime. Okay, and then list down what is u and v. U is equal to x. V is equal to ln x. U prime is equal to 1. V prime is equal to 1 over x. Ingat tu kalau log mesti turun darjat Okay, and okay, guna what you call aturan kan. Ini sang pangkah ni. Okay, and then find dy dx. Okay, terus tengok ni, tak payah tengok hafal formula pun tak apa. Terus sang pangkah je 1 ln x plus x 1 over x is equal to ln x plus 1. Actually kalau you differentiate benda ni x ln x, confirm dapat ln x plus 1. Sometimes kan I just write down automatic sini kan. Sometimes kata tak apa hafal. Okay. And D, because of dy is popular sebenarnya. Function popular. Okay. D ln x over e. Okay. X. Okay, let's say yang ini can change, bring up ini and use product rule. Okay, now I'm going to use quotient rule. Quotient rule. Okay, let's use quotient rule, right? U, V. So, y equals U over V. Okay, y prime, U prime V minus U V prime, U V prime over V squared. Okay, and okay, U is equal to ln x, V is equal to e power x. U prime turun darjat and 1 1 V prime e power x kebal and 1. Okay, 1 3/1 kan, kena differentiate tak? Okay, and the next step, okay, dalam pangkah ni, okay, and dy dx, this one 1/x dx minus, ingat quotient dulu dia heavy kan, dia kena minus, dia berat sangat, dia kena buang sikit, log x over, okay, ln x, dah simplify. Okay, yang ini check dulu lah, simplify pun check dulu. Oh, this one ex, constant and factorize kan, baik factorize, and then ex 1/x minus ln x over ln x square. Okay, I think we stop sampai sini. Nanti saya tengok apa lagi yang, okay, this one D, right? Kenapa? Dia continue lagi. Okay, sampai we stop sampai sini. Equating the denominator 1 minus x ln x over x ln x square. Dia buat macam tu. Kenapa lain dengan saya? You all tengok sikit apa yang berlaku. You all ni tengok, check mana saya silap. Check mana saya silap. Cuba check. Jangan sesat.
B square.
Ni. Saya mujulah hari ni print satu dia punya ni banyak salah pula. Baik tak print. Senang kan? Ini. Ni. EX. Okay, boleh cancel lah maknanya kan? So, cancel lah. Ni. Okay. 1 minus x ln x over x ex. Okay, dah dapat jawapan. Betul 2 kali careless kan? Okay, tak apalah Okay, ini solution. Okay, B, solution for B. C, yang D ni try guna product rule try jadi dia ni quotient rule kan. Okay, and nampak complicated, differentiate. Next time kalau complicated ni soalan ni, by taking ln to the other side lah, senang. Dah ada jawapan. Dah jawapan lah pula. Okay, tunjuk je lah kan. Ini taking ln to the other side, dapat ln. Okay, ln. Okay, yang ini kita simplify lah kan, guna the third law. Jadi macam ni. Dan is equal to 1, y. Yang this one, ingat tak kita punya law, let's say dia bagi ln m minus n is equal to ln m minus ln n. Jadi ini adalah m, ini n kan, so ni minus, so minus pula ni yang bawah ni, yang bawah ni je. Okay, ln m n is equal to ln m plus ln n. So yang ini kalau dah buka expand jadi negatif lah. Jadi kalau bracket dia plus. And then yang ini pun simplify juga. Jadi ln square root of 1 plus x is equal to ln 1 plus x to the power half. And then guna the third law. This is the third law. Yang ni first, second, third. Kena ingatlah. Okay, you ada dulu lagi law ada third je rule kan. Jadi follow ni je sampai bila-bila same rule je. Payah sangat nak ingat kan. Okay, ini and then this is just kita tak differentiate pun lagi. Kita just make it simpler. Macam tu kan. Jadi by taking ln to the other side, kita try to adjust the soalan. Jadi the next step barulah differentiate. Okay, dy dx 3 turun darjat 1/2 turun darjat the whole set Okay, 1 plus x and differentiate 1 plus x is equal to 1 right. Ni differentiate is equal to 1. Jangan tu dah aku lupa kan. 1/x squared plus 1 differentiate x squared plus 1 dapat 2x. Okay, and then now let's say okay, kita buat dulu 3x ini minus 1/2 1 plus x minus 2x over x squared plus 1. Okay, I stop sampai ni? Yes, boleh. And tak payah seksakan diri equating the denominator. Kalau tak ada apa-apa, unless kata show, baru show. Okay, dah. Okay, settle. Lepas tu, okay, yang ni pula. Nak bila kan the third, three functions, right? Trigo. Okay, jadi macam mana? Nak ingat Okay, sin get cos, sin cos, cos negative sin, tangent secant squared, cosecant negative cosecant cotangent. Yang ni paling senang nak ingat. Sec dapat sectan. Senang ingat kan. Okay, cot negative cosecant squared. So how to remember that one? It's something like macam not too proper. So kalau let's say kalau you differentiate C, huruf C, it give the negative kat depan ni. Kalau kata problem lah. Confirm lah ingat sin get cos kan? And cos the sin tu negative always dapat tak sure kan. Kalau differentiate C dapat negatif. That's the idea lah. Ingatlah 6 beradik ni, pergi ingat lah. Dalam kepala ingat hafal ke apa benda kan. You all tak tahu kat mana kan. And make sure dia punya dalam radian, angle in radian. Okay. And example, dah ada solution, tegur je lah. Differentiate y is equal to 2 sin x minus 3 cos x with respect to x. Okay. So this one differentiate dy dx sin get cos lah. Hafal right? Kelas lah. You ni la ilaha illallah, ingat kan tengah buat video. Okay. Negatif ada supaya saya check. Negatif cos C kan, negatif sin. Okay. And then 2 cos x plus 3x. 3x. Okay. Ada suka buat 3x je. Stop sampai sini. Okay. So make sure sin differentiate cos. Cos C negatif sin. Tentu Okay. And this one lah. Kalau dia bagi composite function Okay. Sin u ni ada something lagi kan, x squared plus 1 ke apa benda kan. Okay. Differentiate kita guna nanti saya introduce lah alternate kan. Nanti nak ingat lah from outside to inside kan. So radius still radian lah, angle. So still lagi lah. Differentiate cos negative sin. Cosecant negative. Cosecant cotangent. Okay. Cotangent negative cosecant squared. Sama je. And then you need to differentiate dah ni. Okay. Apa ni kita tengok example. Okay. Differentiate y equals cosecant angle dia x squared minus 2. So now sekarang ni y is equal to cosecant x squared minus over 2 with respect to x lah kan. So now first thing is okay. Tengok ni kan nampak complicated kan. Tak apalah, kita pelan-pelan. Dy dx cosecant. Okay, this one first. Okay, this one first out kat luar sekali cos. Dapat negatif cosecant. Okay, cotangent. Macam tu kan. And then tak muat. Mula. Okay. Tak muat kan. Okay, kat sini kita boleh kasi dy dx negatif. Okay, kalau cosecant ni dia repeat lah. Cosecant. Okay, cotangent. Then you need to differentiate whatever inside dia punya ni. Buat ni, this is the best lah. Okay, buat d dx. Boleh tarik nafas kejap. Okay, atau buat direct terus kan. So now you need to differentiate. Okay, dalam ni differentiate. Okay, so this is outer, this is inner lah. Alternate. Okay, so differentiate sini 2x over 2, so x je lah. X. Atau buat ni dulu d dx x squared over 2. Ni dia tarik nafas sikit lah kan. So yang ini dia punya angle for trigo kebal juga. Okay, just copy je. last sekali yang inner tu baru kita differentiate. Dia kebal sikit. So this is that one lah. So the answer is negative x cosecant x squared over 2 cot tangent x squared over 2. Dah settle lah. Okay, so this one same lah juga kan. Nak guna alternate lah kan. Jadi macam kalau dia function dia macam square ke sin x square ke apa benda kan. So kita buat dulu, kita guna power rule dulu ke, tapi it's okay. Just follow what you want should know is just you have to know how to buat differentiate sign apa, cos apa, tangent apa, satu yang enam beradik itu. Okay, yang ni tak apa, boleh apply sendiri, tak hafal, jangan hafal yang ni. Hafal differentiate apa, dapat apa tu cukup. Yalah, the same concept tu lah. Okay, and example, now example ini kita apply konsep alternate. Okay, so tangent let's say let dia bagi bogel macam ni kan. Let y is equal to tangent x 3x squared plus 1 to the power 4 kan. This one change to in this pattern ni 3x squared plus 1. Okay, 4 sini So kita differentiate from out to inside. Okay, alternate for outer to inside. So alternate. So out to inner now So ringkasan outer inner. Okay, jadi from outside to inside. So now kita buat differentiate dy respect to x. Dalam tu whatever x, kita respect kat x lah kan. Dan kalau dalam tu t, respect kat t. So now guna power rule. Ni power rule kan. Ni paling kat luar is 4 right. 4 lah dulu. Tak 4 sini. Okay, jadi power rule 4 sini. And then kena reduce. Okay, ni kena panjang juga nafas ni. Okay, sekejap, ada sekejap. Tak tunjuk satu line. Nak tak tahu mana dah. Sekejap. Tak apa, kita buat kat sini. Kita kat sini Okay, dy dx. Okay, so yang ini, this one, kat sini kan, 4 kan. Letak kat sini. Okay, and then you, okay, that 4. And you have to reduce power dia. Copy je. Copy je. Only the power reduce. Then the next step, the next pula yang dalam ni. The first yang dalam ni kan outer to inner. The first is t, tangent right. Jumpa tangent dulu. Ni kat sini. Okay, nak kata satu nafas kan. Okay, and then okay, tak ada colour ni. Okay, yang ini tangent. Dapat apa? Differentiate tangent. Second right. Second 3x squared plus 1. Cantik yang colour. Tak nampak kan. Okay, second 3x squared plus 1 squared. That is differentiate tangent that second. Whatever angle you just copy je. So the next step, okay, so inside ni, dalam ni. Okay, inside ni, tak kat sini. Differentiate. Okay, and then okay, differentiate 3x squared dapat 6x plus 0 lah. So ini kalau direct. Kalau sikit-sikit indirect, actually the best is macam ni. Okay, differentiate dulu first kat luar and stop, tarik nafas. And differentiate pula yang ini, tangent kat second and dia direct juga. You kata d dx. Kalau nak baik, the next is d dx 3x squared plus 1 itu baru ambil. So macam itulah. And then simplify 4 6 24 x tangent 3x squared plus 1 cube. Okay, second 3x squared plus 1 squared. Okay, habis. Ini satu nafas. I know you write this one right. So berapa kali nak tarik nafas ni, you know ni. First kali out. This one. Ni sikit mata sekejap. Ni lah. Okay, ni 4 out. And then second, third. Mana ada? Ini guy ni kan, ni guy ni. 1 2 3. 3 times. So from out to inside outer to inner, alternate. Okay, settle. Berapa slide lagi ni? Soalan so far you? Conclusion. Okay. Conclusion actually kita ada banyak dia punya ni. That's conclusion for exponent. Exponent base E. Yang ni base A base not E senang kita. And then conclusion for log. Okay. Macam ni lah mini log. Yang tadi tu. Yang ni je. Yang ini and ini je. Okay. And then this one ingat ni cukup. Differentiate. Okay. Campuran ni. Hafal lah. Nak buat mapping tak apa. Buat ni. Okay. And ni F prime. Okay. Buatlah sin, cos. Cos, negative sin. Kau nak buat lah kan. Tangent and secant x square and cosecant, negative cosecant, cotangent. Secant tangent and cotangent, negative cosecant x. Macam tu. Boleh juga. Ikutlah you all. Ni nampaknya dia. Ingatlah cara nak hafal macam mana. And for ni tak apalah, cukup lah. Ingat satu cukup. And then ini tak apa, tak ingat apa kepala ni. Guna you faham pun it's okay. This one is exercise for exponent ni. Okay, saya tunjuk tu, you boleh ingat tunjuk. Saya tunjuk dia punya ni je. Okay. And dia punya ni. Sometimes soalan dia macam ni lah. Soalan dia bagi mix kan. You guna apply product rule and show macam ni. Okay. Ini product rule juga. Okay. Ini exponent and show. And this one you gunalah macam mana? Guna alternate. Guna alternate atau product rule, power rule. Okay. And this one solution for number 1. Okay. For number 2. Okay, solution shown. This one shown. Okay. Jadi ini solution for number 4 shown juga kan. And exercise for log. Log. Yang ini log. Okay. Use ln m over n. Dia punya ni. And ini pun same jugalah. Okay. And this one ln m n. And then apply lah. Okay, simplify dulu. And then next baru differentiate. So ni now same juga. Ini ln m over n kan. Dia proof sampai sini. Okay, siapa nak buat try lah. Ni solution for B, C. Ni solution untuk shown ke apa. And okay, trigo. Itulah trigo yang ni kan. Okay, y dy dx. And then this one out kan, cos. And this one copy je because of that one is angle. Then 1 over x. Dah settle lah. Yang ini guna exponent. First copy. The next is differentiate yang dia punya power kan. Okay. And this one sama juga. This one you guna yang ni ln m over n. Satu kan. Okay. Yang ni taking ln to the side lagi bagus. Yang ni alternate. Cosecant x squared plus 1. Alternate. Okay. Yang ini product rule. Okay, just apply alternate lah kan. Product rule itu je. Okay, solution. Okay. Solution for F. Okay. Nampak macam complicated kan. This is okay. Solution. Sekejap. So, habis ni. Yang last sekali solution. So, dia ni. Okay. Okay, solution guna product rule and habis. Is it this one the last one? I check dulu. Okey, habis.